Hi friends, today I did see a video of my friend Big Bird picking a Burgwaechter Alutitan 770-30, and by coincidence I got last week 3 Alutitan 770-40, so a little bit bigger, and I asked him actually if the keyway of the 30 is the same as on the 40, so I hope he's watching. So here's the keyway on the 40, very snaky, not easy to get in. It's similar to the diamond, so the delta or the gamma, but just a little bit smaller. Now let's try to pick them. They feel a little bit different, each one. And this one is a little bit oxidized on the keyway. I will show you the locks a little bit closer in a second. If I get them open fast, you will see. Okay, here's a pin pretty deep down. Okay, pick is catched. And I couldn't believe it. This was actually a spool. I didn't think that a spool would be in this lock. You have already seen this side, and it looks like this on the other side. One thing I don't like, this edge or these edges are pretty sharp, not that nice. Here you can see the bitting on the first lock. It's a 5-pin lock. It looks as someone has bitten into the key. So let's try the second one. Sometimes they open a little bit faster, sometimes not. The pins seem not to be that good quality, or the inside of the lock. It's different. Pin deep down. I'll let him alone for a second. Got a tiny little click. Now, as you can see, this one is a little bit different. They are not all easy. I can feel here pin in the middle. Another click, and I think pin 1 again. Yes, pin 1 again. So this one took a little bit longer. Again, here's the key. It looks similar to the first one, but it isn't. It's a little bit different at the end. They are all key different, and I'm actually happy about this. So let's try the third one. Let's see how this goes. Okay, felt a little turn, but not sure. I was oversetting this. Okay, clicking, going on. Let's see, another turn. Pretty sure it's hanging on the spool. So let's see. It should be in the middle. No, it was not. It was overset. Okay. Let's try again. Okay, little click. Okay, and here it's open. Again, a little bit longer, and here you can hear something. I have to take a key out. And that's something I don't want to hear from a lock. I think it's a spring inside. Not great. Yeah, but they're a little bit challenging. But I can get them open with a shallow Abus hook actually. And as you know, we are competitors, Burgwaechter and the Abus. And I was surprised that there are spools in. I did so far only pick one of these, but when I picked the other ones, I noticed the spools. You can hear the click. As you know, I like when the lock is clicking. At least it clicks half decent, but this shackle spring drives me nuts. Yeah, that was Burgwaechter Alutitan 77040. So thank you all for watching, and I actually want to thank you all for watching all my videos every time, and big thank you to over 100 subscribers. I missed this a little bit, but I'm really thankful, and we see next time with another log. So have a good night and bye.